Creating a thriving garden requires more than a love for plants. It demands careful planning. Today, we'll navigate the fascinating world of seasonal planting and explore how crafting the perfect garden calendar can transform your backyard into a lush, vibrant space throughout the year. At the heart of successful gardening lies the principle of planting according to the seasons. This means giving each plant the optimal conditions to grow, harnessing the natural rhythm of the changing weather. To start, familiarize yourself with your local climate and growing zones, as these influence which plants will thrive and when. Spring is the season of growth, with the frost finally retreating. It's the ideal time for planting hardy annuals like pansies and sweet peas, which can endure cooler temperatures. As spring advances, consider sowing seeds of leafy greens and root vegetables, such as carrots and radishes, which flourish in the warming soil. The fiery days of summer can be challenging but rewarding. This period calls for heat-loving plants like tomatoes, peppers, and sunflowers. Remember to plan for sufficient watering and ensure plants are spaced adequately to mitigate disease and pest invasion. Mulching can help retain moisture and suppress weeds, allowing your garden to flourish under the sun's intensity. As autumn approaches, it's time to think about cooler temperatures again. Focus on sowing crops like spinach and lettuce, which prefer gentler sunlight and cooler air. Autumn is also a crucial time for planting bulbs such as tulips and daffodils, setting the stage for a vibrant spring display. Winter, often seen as a period of rest, provides an opportunity for reflection and preparation. Plan your garden's layout for the coming year, consider crop rotations, and enrich your soil by applying compost to improve its fertility. By following this seasonal guide and crafting an efficient garden calendar, you'll ensure year-round beauty and productivity. Embrace the cycle of the seasons, and let each phase of the year bring its unique charm to your garden paradise.